Imagine biting into the softest, most buttery vanilla cake, rich with flavor and perfectly moist. Today I'm showing you how to make the most delicious Milky Vanilla cakes. It's easy, foolproof, and absolutely irresistible. So I'm going to be measuring my butter, which I'm using 228 grams of butter. I'm going to, beat that a bit just for it to be very soft. Then I go ahead and add in my sugar, which in this particular video I used 550 grams of sugar, and it was extremely sugary because I have a sugary tooth. But for a normal regular sweet cake, you don't want it to be extreme like me, but you want it to be very normal and sweet. Then 450 grams of sugar is perfect, okay? But if you're sweet tooth like me, then 550 is very fine, okay? So I'm just gonna beat that on low to medium speed, and then I'm gonna add in my eggs, which I used 6 eggs. So you can use 6 to 8 eggs, but 6 eggs is very fine as well. But I was adding in the eggs one by one, that's one after the other, okay? Do not add in all your eggs all at once. You need to add it one after the other so that it can mix properly, and you have to do that on a low speed, okay? You have to do that on a low speed. You don't have to over mix your batter, okay? So this is me adding the second one, and I'm just going to repeat that process until I'm done with the eggs, okay? This recipe is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, special treat, or just because you love cake. So after the eggs, you want to add in your vegetable oil, your vanilla essence, and your yogurt. I added that off camera. I don't know what happened. I can't find that video. I can't explain what happened, but I'm going to be dropping the full measurements in the description box, so please do well to check, okay? After this step, then you gradually add in the flour, okay? You can divide in 3 parts. You have to gradually add in the flour, okay? And you want to do this on a very low speed, okay? Like the lowest speed, okay? Or better to just bring out your bowl from your mixer if you're using a mixer, and use your spatula to add in your flour, and just mix yourself, because you don't want to over mix your batter. But at this particular time, I was very tired and I could not use my hands to do anything, so I used my mixer, and I did that on a very low speed, okay? So you have to be fast about that so you can bring out the bowl. You don't want to over mix the batter. Like, you do not want to over mix the batter, okay? So now at this point, you can add in your evaporated milk gradually, so that this mixture can mix properly, okay? So I was adding my milk at this stage gradually so that it can mix, okay? So like I said earlier, do not over mix the batter. So at this stage now, I'm done, and I'm just going to be putting this batter into my pans, or your foil, anywhere you want to put that, okay? And you're gonna bake at 175 degrees, okay? You can bake in your oven, you can bake in a pot, and I'm going to be doing more videos on how you can bake your cakes even without an oven, and trust me, it's gonna come out perfect. Like, no one will be able to tell that you did not use an oven for that, okay? So do well to check the space for that if you are interested, okay? So like I said, I'm just gonna you can see the consistency. You can see how smooth and fluffy it even already looks, even without it being baked already. You can see, right? So I'm just gonna be pouring that into my foil, and I used a cake pan as well. And like I said, you want to bake at 175 degrees, okay? And that's that that's that, guys. That is that. So if you watch this video to this part and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Please do well to subscribe. It's not going to take 4 seconds of your time, okay? Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I post a video, okay? So you don't get to miss my juicy videos, okay? So I'm done now, and I'm just gonna put that in my oven. And you want to make sure that your oven is already like turned on, okay? You don't want to just turn on your oven and put in the cakes. You want to make sure that your oven is already turned on and is already at 175 degrees, okay? And you can see I added water in a bowl, and I just put that down, okay? It's very, very, very good for cakes. And the cupcakes were ready in like 20 minutes, okay? Especially this one, because this one was down. This one got ready fast because it was it was the only one that was down. And your cupcakes or your cake in like smaller portions, they get cooked fast, okay? And this one too was ready while the other ones were still in the oven. And in like few minutes after this came out, it was ready. So I just flipped this over, and you can see the cake. And me, I love eating hot cakes. I don't know why. Like, once the cake is out of the oven, I don't wait for it to get cold. I am just I just go at it. I beg, if you're in your house and you're the one that baked your cake yourself, you can do as you like, right? So this is me just having a bite and seeing how fluffy it is and how delicious. It was so sweet, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.